Oh, there's Izzy and Alamo just wrestling around. Izzy's making a lot of new friends.
Physical sciences. Which one's our focus?
A jump attack by Izzy.
I have some bad news. Due to the number of hiring freezes and
Oh, look, they love each other.
will only be able to set up job interviews for 3 people. That means only the winning team will be getting interviews. I'm sorry.
Yeah, come on, Mo.
This is just
Okay.
reality you have to deal with. And sometimes reality sucks. Okay, go. Alright, well then we're just gonna have to make the best music / physical science magazine ever.
Listen to Mo's voice. His voice is so deep.
Yeah.
This Memorial Day.
I'm Amelia Earhart. What's your name, Plywood? I'm not one to shy away from danger.
Oh, yeah, the safe place is you go to your sister's lap. Oh, goodness. Who's gonna attack? Are you both tired? Oh. Oh, there they go! Scratch break.
Oh, Izzy, that was a cheap shot.
Oh. Get him, Izzy.
Kitchen electrics and all jewelry. Style, quality, and price matter. Go to jcp.com to see everything on sale.
Try new Cherry 7-Up antioxidant. There's never been a more delicious way to cherry pick your antioxidant.
So cute. You guys are so cute playing together. Oh, skirt alert. Izzy, you're showing your good stuff.